Hello people. So today I'm taking you for a journey with me from Oxford Street tube station to Wimbledon. We're gonna go to Waterloo by tube, then we're gonna change for a train. You know what? I think advertising in London Underground, it's quite well organized. It's clean. You've got frames everywhere, right? It's good. Bakerloo Line. It's my least favorite. It's old, it's loud, it's dirty. But I'm not gonna lie, it has a character.
Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap, please.
Right. So now we're going upstairs to catch the train to Wimbledon. This station feels like home. I can talk because no one is here. It's supposed to be a quiet zone. No one respects that.
Please treat our teams with kindness.
In
For everyone's safety, video
England.
surveillance and body-worn cameras are in use on trains and at stations. And any abusive behaviour will be reported to the British Transport Police. Please ensure you have a valid ticket to travel on this train. Otherwise, you may be issued with a minimum penalty fare of £100.
People
or face
who bring
prosecution.
food, hot food, on trains, you know what I think about you. You're a piece of...
This is British Transport Police. If you notice something out of the ordinary, speak to a member of staff or text us on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
Controversial, but it's true. UK is filthy. Banned. Deportation.
The next station is Clapham Junction. Change here for London Victoria, East Croydon, London Gatwick Airport, Brighton, the Mildmay Line and the Windrush Line. Please mind the gap. This is Clapham Junction. This train is for Woking. The next station is Earlsfield.
Someone competent.
Okay, we are at Wimbledon, the station that desperately needs an upgrade. Okay, beautiful people, we have arrived. That's it for today. See you next time.